Okay, next tayo para sa motion curves. Two rockets starts from rest at the same elevation. Rocket A accelerates vertically at 20 meter per second squared for 12 seconds. So, binigbigay, and then maintains a constant speed. So, ibig sabihin, i-drawing natin yung acceleration versus the time. No? This is the acceleration versus the time. This is acceleration and then this is the time. Ang sabi, accelerates 20 meter per second. So, constant acceleration for 12 seconds. So, ibig sabihin, this is 12 seconds. Tapos, this is constant acceleration na 20 meter per second squared. And then, maintains a constant speed. Hindi na natin alam kung ilan yung speed niya. No? Constant na siya. So, hindi natin alam kung gaano siya katagal magka-travel. No? At a certain time. So, kung ang alam natin na ang acceleration natin, that is equal to 20 meter per second squared. Ngayon, dito muna tayo sa sa rocket A. So, yung dv over dt, that is equal to 20, equals to 20. So, we have dv is equal to 20 dt. Okay lang? So, integrate lang natin, we will get v is equal to 20t plus c. No? So, ibig sabihin, ang initial time natin, 0, no? And then, ang initial velocity natin starts from red, 0. Therefore, c is 0. So, yung velocity natin is 20t. Pero sabi nga natin, di ba, kapag magdodrawing tayo na acceleration, ang velocity versus the acceleration, at the time, rather. So, this is the time, this is the velocity. So, starting from rest, so kapag positive yung area, so aangat lang tayo at a constant slope, no? So, ibig sabihin kung ano yung area nito na nasa taas, no? Yung area natin dito, yun yung value natin dito. So, magkano yung velocity natin dito? Pero, di ba? Kung alam mo naman na yung equation na to, 20 times 10, 20 times 12, yung time, that is equal to, kano yung 20 times 12? 20 times 12, that is equal to 240. Ano, nasisira ata yung ano. Pero, ano ba yung area nito? Di ba base times height? So, that is 12, 20 times 12. So, magkano yung 20 times 12? 240 din. Ngayon, eto, di ba, ang sabi dito, sa part na yan, zero acceleration or constant na yung speed. So, di ba, pag constant ang speed, ibig sabihin, zero na yung acceleration. Kaya ito, this is also 240 at a certain time. Hindi natin alam yung time. Okay? So, ito na yung sa particle sa rocket A. So, ngayon, drawing naman natin yung velocity, sorry, is position pala over the time. So, ito, ano yung equation natin dito? Di ba constant siya? That is equal to velocity is equal to 240. Tama? Ito, ano yung equation natin dito? That is equal to velocity is equal to, naglolo ko yung 20t. The velocity is equal to 20t. Kung gusto niyo isulat na ito, acceleration is equal to 20. O, di ba? Ito, di ba kapag ano naman, this is first degree, kung gusto niyo i-drawing, this is increasing. Drawing natin yung die circle natin. Ay, Barbie. Yan, yung perfect circle. O, die circle, drawing lang natin. Di, positive, negative, negative, positive. So, di ba kapag dito increasing, this is increasing yung load, tapos positive yung area. So we have the increasing positive area. So that is opens upward. Oops, hindi siya pala kaya. So ano yung value natin dito sa part na yan? Yun yung area nito. Tama? Or kung kabisado nyo naman yung velocity, di ba velocity that is equal to ds over dt, which is equal to 20t. So ds is equal to 20t dt. Integrate. So we have s is equal to 20t squared over 2 plus c. So s is equal to 10t squared plus c. So ang initial position natin, 0. And then times 0, therefore c is 0. Kung kailangan yung yung graph, so c is equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 10t squared. So yung equation nito is equal to s is equal to 10t squared. Okay lang? So yan na may mga equation na. Tapos ito, yung area nito, constant lang siya, no? So paano natin kukunin yan? So, di ba we have, ito, given tong equation, nakuha na natin to, V is equal to 240. V is equal to 240. So, ds over dt is equal to 240. Therefore, ds is equal to 240 dt. Then integrate. So, ang initial time natin is 12 na, no? No, initial position natin, ito na kasi yung consider natin, iba na yung initial position niya. So, di ba that is equal to t squared? Tama? Or ano ba yung value nito? If this is 12, ano yung value nito? Ay, ganun nagluloko. Ayan. Ano yung value niyan? So, substitute lang natin. 10 times t squared, 12 squared. That is 144. Oh, sorry, 1440. Or, pwede rin naman, ano yung area natin dito ng triangle? Equal lang din dito. Tama, nasundan. So, that is area. 0.5, 1 half ng 240 times 12. So, that is 1440. So, ang initial position natin is 1440. And then S. Ito yung S na hinahanap natin. So, S, upper minus lower, we have S minus 1440 equals to 240T. So, ibig sabihin, si S is equal to 240T plus 1440. So, yung equation nito is equal to S is equal to 240T plus 1440. So, ito na yung equation natin and then graph ng acceleration versus the time and the velocity versus the time and then the for each racket. So, 20 seconds pala, no? So, this is 20. This is 20. This is 20. Pero, yan na yung value natin. No? So, kapag nakuha na natin yung position natin, yung 20 yung time, substitute lang natin dito. So, ano yung magiging value nito? Tama ba? That is equal to 240 kasi may equation ka na times 20 plus 1440. 6240. So, ibig sabihin, yung S total natin is equal to 6240. Yan yung tinravel ni bracket A for the time of 20 seconds. Okay? So, sige, kopyahin nyo muna. Ito yung para sa racket A pa lang. Paano naman kapag naging racket B? Sige, kopyahin nyo muna. Mali ata ako. Yung time pala, sorry, di ko nasama. Eto, di ba yung time hindi tayo naglagay ng limit? So, ang initial time na natin dito is 12 pala na hindi ko nasama. And then, final time is 12, 12t. No? So, substitute lang natin dito. So, yung magiging limits natin ay magkano? Di ba S, limits natin from 1440, S is equal to 240t from 12 to t. Kasi meron na tayong initial time, no? Tapos, 20. Actually, pwede nila naman yung 20 na, pero equation kasi lang yung kailangan natin. So, S minus 1440 is equal to 240 t minus 240 times 12, no? So, wala ba? Hindi naman. Okay? And then, naharangan ba? Ayan, 240 times 12. So, simplifying, S is equal to 1440 plus, factor out natin si 240, matitira tayo ng t minus 2. So, this is our equation pala. Mali ako. Babaguhin ko lang. Kasi meron nga palang time. 1440 plus 240 times t minus Actually, orange. Okay, so yun yung first equation natin. So, pag sinubstitute natin si time is equal to 20, so papalitan lang natin. 1440 plus 240 times 20 minus 2. 5760. Okay, so sorry. Or check natin. Di ba ang alam natin, yung area nito plus yung area nito, dapat ito yun. Di ba nalala nyo? Yung area nito plus yung area nito kasi positive area, positive area, positive, sorry. So, 1440 plus yung area ng rectangle that is equal to 240 times 20. 62, ay sorry, hindi pala 20 yun lang, 8 lang pala rather. That is 8. That is equal to 3660. Bakit hindi naging 3660 yan? Dapat maging 3660 yan. That is, double check. 1440 plus 240 times, that is equal to, hmm, 3360. Dapat 3360 yung value. Ba't hindi naging 33? Ba't naging 3360 yun? Tama ba? 1440, 20, 1440 plus 240 times 20 minus 2. 5760. Hindi, mali equation natin. T minus 2. Ay, sorry, T minus 12 pala. 3360. Mali ang sulat. Upper minus lower nga pala. T minus 12. So, palit natin equation na to. This is T. Pero kung hindi naman kailangan yung equation, no? Okay lang. Pero sayang lang. So, that is equal to, magkano to? 3. Pero kung yung area yung ginamit nyo, na tama yung lalabas nyo. So, yung SA natin is now equal to 3,360 meters. So, ito yung para sa A. O, paano naman yung B? Okay, try natin nang hindi ginagamitan ng equation. So, what if? Ito yung may equation, no? So, gamitin naman natin yung bracket B. No? Paano naman si bracket B? Sige, drawing natin. Sige. Copy nyo muna. Okay, next. So, yung gagamitin natin yung area, no? Okay? So, una, drawing natin yung acceleration versus the time. Okay, so yung acceleration, ang sabi sa rocket B, this is rocket B, acceleration time. Sabi sa rocket B, accelerates at 15 meter per second squared until reaching the constant speed. So, hindi natin alam na may constant speed. Ibig sabihin, ito yung time natin hinahanap. May time tayo dyan. And then, nag-constant speed ka na daw na 150. So, paano natin i-relate yan? So, drawing naman natin si velocity equation. So, this is the velocity versus the time. Ang sabi, nag-reach na daw. So, di ba, kapag dito horizontal, no? Dito magiging straight line kasi positive yung area nito. Tapos, hindi natin alam yan at a certain time. Pero, alam natin to na may 15 meter per second squared. No? So, ito, ano yung area nito? Di ba? Yung area niya, that is equal to 15 times time. Time kasi ito, no? Hindi natin alam. So, that is equal to 15t. No? So, yan yung time. Tapos, nagkaroon daw ng constant velocity na ang velocity daw dito ay 150. Ngayon, alam na natin si 15t equal siya sa 150. Therefore, the time is equal to 10 seconds. So, this is 10 seconds pala. No? This is 10. Tapos, stop na yan na nag-iano siya constant speed until reaching the time of 20. So, ito na yung 20. So, ano ito? 20. O, di ba? Ito, ano yung value natin dito? 150. O, pagka dinrawing nyo si distance over time, so, kung di nyo gagamitan ng equation, okay lang din. So, yung area nito, ito, yan area. Di ba increasing positive? So, kapag increasing positive, concave, upward. So, that is, ano yung area natin dyan? Tama ba? Daang area is triangle 0.5 times 10 times 150. That is equal to 750 for the time na 10. Tapos, idadagdag lang natin yung area nung nasa taas. Ito, susundan yung area. 750 plus 150 times, ano yung length? 10. That is equal to 2,250. So, this is the distance traveled by SB. So, si SA, ang travel distance niya is equal to 3,360 meters. SB, 2,250 meters. So, ano yung nahanap? The distance between the two rockets? SB minus SA minus SB pala. Mas malayo si SB. SA minus SB. That is equal to 3,360 minus 2,250. that is equal to 1,110 meters, or the change in S is equal to 1.11 kilometers. Now, convert lang natin into kilometers. Oh, kung gusto niyo yung equation, no, kunin niyo lang. This is velocity is equal to 15t. Ito ay velocity equals to 15t squared over 2. Ito, velocity is equal to 150. Di ibig sabihin, ito, S pala. S is equal to 750 plus 150 times t minus 10. Pwede yan. Hinahanap yung equation, no? Ayan. So, kailangan na equation. Sige, balik lang natin. Screenshot nyo na. I'll give you time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or post nyo na lang, no? Sa screenshot.